So I'm going to show you how to connect your Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra to your phone's mobile hotspot so that you can share your phone's hotspot on the tablet in case you're in a place that has no Wi-Fi. So the first thing you need to do is make sure hotspot is on your phone. It could be an Android phone, it could be an iPhone, doesn't really matter. Just make sure hotspot is on and you know what the name of your phone is and you know the password. And then on the tablet, you simply want to go to settings. Under settings, go to connections on this left hand side panel and then go to Wi-Fi. And then your hotspot should be listed as a Wi-Fi network. So you can see my iPhone is here. So I'll just tap on it and then enter my hotspot password. Your hotspot password should be on your phone, so it should be easy. So once you type in the password, just hit connect and you should be good to go. Simple as that. So now I can use my tablet, my phone's internet on the tablet. Thanks for watching and good luck.